I'm still Sasha from netbooknews.com, and we're still at the Aviiq booth, and we're also still at Computex 2012. That's the Aviiq Quick Change, and guess what? I have one here in my pocket. This is one of the coolest little gadgets I've ever seen. Maybe not ever seen, but for a while, definitely. And it's very usable, because you ever wondered that you don't have the right USB to mini USB, micro USB to whatever connector? You know, that's what you have over here. There's a mini USB, there's a micro USB, and you can just move them around like this. They can recharge your tablet over here. Plus, you can just put it here in your chest pocket like this. So very simple, very easy to explain, and very usable and convenient. That's the Aviiq Quick Change. I'm Sasha from netbooknews.com. Thanks for watching.